Hello guys, in this video we are going to see solution of incorrect labeled boxes puzzle. The problem statement goes like this. There are 3 boxes, one contains only apples, one contains only oranges and one contains both apples and oranges. The boxes have been incorrectly labeled such that no label identifies the actual contents of the box. Opening just one box and without looking in the box, you take out one piece of fruit. By looking at the fruit, how can you immediately label all of the boxes correctly? There are 2 important things to remember. First is that all the boxes have been incorrectly labeled. That is, there is no case where one box is correctly labeled and only 2 boxes are incorrectly labeled. Second thing is that we have to take out only one fruit and we cannot look inside the box. So we have got 3 boxes, 1, 2 and 3. Let's say box 1 is labeled apples, box 2 is labeled oranges and box 3 is labeled apples and oranges. Let's take out a fruit from box 1 which is labeled apples. There are 2 possibilities. Either the fruit is apple or the fruit is orange. If fruit is orange, there are 2 possibilities. Either the box is of apples and oranges or the box is of oranges. And we cannot be sure, so we cannot move forward. Now if the fruit taken out is apple, now we know that the box labeled apples cannot contain apple, so it must be apples and oranges. Now box 3 was labeled apples and oranges and the label has been shifted to box 1. Now box 2 was labeled oranges and we know that it is incorrectly labeled. So the only possibility for oranges is box 3. So box 3 will be labeled oranges and box 2 will be labeled apples. So in this scenario, we are able to correctly label all the boxes but only in one situation. So the situation of dichotomy arises because if the fruit is orange, we have 2 choices available. Now the same dichotomy will occur if we took out a fruit from the box labeled oranges and the fruit is apple. Let's try to reduce these choices. If we take out a fruit from apples and oranges, there are 2 choices. Either the fruit is apple or the fruit is orange. Now let's see if the fruit is apple. Now we know that fruit is apple and the label apples and oranges is incorrectly labeled. So the only possibility is that this box must be labeled apples. So box 3 will be labeled apples. Now if we look at box 2, it has been labeled oranges. Now we know it is incorrectly labeled, so the only choice is that box 1 should be labeled oranges and box 2 should be labeled apples and oranges. Now if the fruit taken out is orange, so we know that box 3 is incorrectly labeled, so box 3 must contain oranges. So we have labeled box 3 as oranges. Now of the remaining 2 boxes, box 2 was labeled oranges which has been shifted to box 3 and box 1 is having the label apples. Now we know that it is incorrectly labeled. So the only possibility for apples is to be box 2. So box 2 will be labeled apples and box 1 will be labeled apples and oranges. Keep practicing guys, and thanks a lot for watching this video.